Neil McEvoy, the Plaid Cymru Assembly candidate for Cardiff West. I can't actually believe I'm doing this video because in the early hours of this morning a load of asbestos was dumped in Pentrabane and in Fairwater, a lot, okay? The council have taken over 15 hours to clean this up. You can see the people in the background, they've got masks on. Residents don't have that luxury. What I'm really outraged about is a lack of action. The council engaged only 5 or 6 people and there was a load of mess up there, and residents have told me all day that this material has been around. Absolutely unbelievable, unbelievable. And I tell you what, please vote Plaid Cymru on May the 5th so we can start to get this kind of stuff sorted out. 6 people have been engaged with a private contractor. There should have been 50. Neil McEvoy, Plaid Cymru. As you can tell, I'm really angry at the way that my community is being treated today. We deserve better. Diolch yn fawr, thank you very much.